Check. Hello, one.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Ellarigu swagata. Like everybody tells, the start of an event is with a light which evades the darkness and provides the necessary path for the growth part. So I request all the dignitaries, Mr. Gaurav Gill, Mr. Subhaya, Mr. Manoj Gupta, Mr. Pankaj, Mr. Manoj, to please light.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Hello.
चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि.
Thank you all. Thank you all. A small brief about AMPL. We are a 70-year-old automobile, in the industry. AMPL was founded by Manubai Singhvi and PP Sanghvi. We are one of the Mahindra's oldest and the most strongest dealership. We are the winners of 6 years in a row, the top dealership award. This is the brief about AMPL, and we start in Bangalore. who better an icon to unveil our showroom? It's an honor and privilege to have you here, Mr. Gaurav. Gaurav doesn't require an introduction. Nevertheless, there's a small brief of his career. Gaurav is a ace WRC rally driver. He's a part of Mahindra Adventure Rally team, and he has brought loads and loads of laurels to the India in the automobile circuit. Among the many, few are, he's a 3-time Asia Pacific Rally champion, he's a 6-time Indian National Rally champion, and last not the least, Gaurav is the first Indian motorsport person to win the prestigious Arjuna Award. Gaurav, welcome to this exciting event. All of us here are excited to have you here. Thank you, Gaurav. I have with us the M&M fraternity, Mr. Manoj Gupta, who's the zonal head, sales. Thank you, sir. We have Mr. Subbiah, who is the zonal head, customer care. Along with them, we have Mr. Pankaj Deshmukh, who is the Karnataka head. We have Mr. Manoj, who is the Karnataka head for customer care. Thank you. You are all the pillars. We require your support to grow from here. Without your support, we would not be able to do. And I'm sure you will all support us for this. I request Mr. Manoj to speak few words.
I don't know what to speak in this kind of forum when Gaurav is here and everybody is looking forward to Gaurav to talk about his experience and how do you feel about Thar. So I think we are very much looking forward to Gaurav's participation to today's event. But let me tell you, this is one of the first kind of thing what we are inaugurating today. It's the Experience Center, what we have named it. This is India's first and no other partner than the AMPL or PPS Motors. So we are really, really proud to be associated with AMPL. AMPL represents us in 4 states, Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And they are very, very old and good channel partner for us. So I wish a very, very successful era in Karnataka and as well as wherever they are present. And all the very best to everyone who is here for this Thar launch. And let the Thar brings laurels to us and the kind of customers what we are looking forward to. And it's not only the Thar enthusiast or off-roaders. We are looking for lifestyle kind of thing. So all the best, guys. Do well. And let's have number of bookings and number of retails happening through AMPL. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for kind words. I request Mr. Subbiah to please come and have few words.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, hearty congratulations and all the very best. I think this is the one of the kind which Manoj said, which will help our customer to quickly drop in here and while having the fun and shopping. And they can have the virtual experience also, then touch and feel the vehicle, which will be very good for our customers. So wish you all the very best. And when it comes to Mr. Gill, we are pleasure to have you here. And it's our proud moment that you made your time to be available here and spending more time also in the field. Thank you very much for your time and participation. I think it will kickstart the event from the showroom very well. Thank you very much. Thank you, Prithvi and team. All the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I request Gaurav, please address us.
Good morning, everyone, or rather it's just about afternoon. Bangalore has been one of my favorite cities for the last 2 decades or so. I've literally grown up here with the motorsport being such an important part of the culture, and the enthusiast as far as automotive is concerned is huge here. So it's great to be here with Prithvi and the AMPS group, the BPS and the AML group. They've had a long history in the automotive division. So congratulations to this beautiful dealership. I'm really surprised to see such a nice layout, and it's obviously the new experience that they are creating for all the customers to come and see the all-new beautiful Thar. It's definitely something which is, been an icon for the last 10 years or so. I've had a Thar myself. I love to drive it. I love to off-road. I've had a few of them from the company. And I can't wait to get this one in my garage. I have a few cars, so this one has to be the next one. We've got some really good stuff lined up for the day, and the car has been, immensely put together by a lot of effort for the last couple of years by the Mahindra R&D team. It has thousands of changes, if not more, and I'm sure we'll talk about that through the day. It's got a brand new engine. It's got 2 variants. I'm sure most of you know about that. So we're going to go out and explore today about the performance ability of the Thar with the 130 bhp diesel engine and more importantly 150 bhp petrol engine, which excites me more. But apart from that, let's go ahead and unveil the car and keep talking about the new car through the course of the day and with everyone around us.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Thank you for having me here.
I request Gaurav, Manoj Gupta, Mr. Subbiah to please unveil the car. Thank you, Gaurav.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. Here is a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch. The all-new Thar. Bookings open 2nd October.
Powerful people comes from powerful places. It's a man who comes from that powerful place.
Now this is what we call a launch.
यहाँ का हो गया, अभी पेप टॉक कर रहे हैं, बाद में वी आर हेडिंग टू द ऑफ रोड ट्रिप. Yeah, on English, all good. You didn't see the live, huh? ठीक है, I thought you see the live. कपिल बोल रहा था खाली 2 लोग देख रहे थे, मैं और मेरा बॉस. But it's good. He's very happy. तो मैं कॉल करता हूँ. और उनके हिसाब से बैकड्रॉप शिफ्ट कर दिया.
On that or just random?
Random. I want.
I didn't want to stretch it too long.
Yeah.
So I finished at the end in between. And they were launching.
यहाँ पे I want. Just wrote a little on papers. Actually, 300. How I feel about the vehicle. Performance 500. And then what do you expect? These are the
Guys, from the backside, guys. Everybody move from the back.
छोटा मिनट नहीं है कलर
You want to see this? Come.
It will become because with the only the left mic, only he'll be heard. It will only go through in the camera and go. So Nagraj, just with the left.
Pick up everything around.
ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾರು But then what about the outside sound? Good afternoon, Gaurav.
Hello and good afternoon.
Welcome again.
Thank you.
To all your fans out in Bangalore and across India, we just want to understand from you about the Mahindra DNA. And who better than you will be able to tell about the Mahindra DNA, because you've been driving XUV 300, you've been driving XUV 500, and then the new Thar, which is going to come up now. So just to understand from you, Gaurav, how do you feel about XUV 300?
Well, I've been associated with the brand for almost 8 years now, and we started a long time ago, with the big and powerful XUV 500, and that's when we thought that, at the Mahindra Adventure with Bijoy, and we discussed, and he asked me one day, do you think this can go rallying or, take on the wild and the mighty roads of the Himalayas and the deserts and stuff? So I said, yeah, of course, why not? If you give it a complete package, we can definitely do that. And, from there on, we came a long way. We did a lot of R&D with the car. We made changes to the car to suit those difficult terrains that we're going to drive at and extremely high speeds. Through the course of those years that we've been participating, we won numerous championships, national championships. Who could have ever thought that a SUV, a car like an XUV 500 could win a national rally championship? And we won a few of them, not one. So that shows how capable the car is, and more so, the passion and the commitment from the Mahindra Group and the Mahindra Adventure team, with all of us working together towards one goal, is the most important thing. It's that we just need one thing, that's success, and to be on top and to be the winner always. So that has been our DNA with the company for so many years, and we are continuing to do that. We just recently launched the XUV 300 rally spec version last year, although obviously because of tough times this year we could not compete, but we ended up winning one of the fastest rallies, which was the Kerala rally last year in December, and we won it by a massive margin. So that shows how capable the car is, if put together correctly, with all the things tuned and properly, with the right team to look after it, with the right tires, the right driver and the co-driver. Everyone thought that we're going to take a lot of time to come up onto the podium and to try and prove its worth. But, it was instant, and, I can't wait to drive the even faster version that we've produced now for this year. And hopefully by December, we should be able to drive it. So, as I said, again, it's all about, passion and commitment, and the DNA is in the Mahindra team and the Mahindra Adventure team with us.
Thank you, Gaurav. So, if I have to sum it up, you would sum it up telling that, the rigidity of the vehicle, the performance, and more to do with the handling, which is, in the circuit. So that makes an all in all a package for the XUV 500 as well as the 300 to win over the things.
Absolutely. When you look at these cars going into such kind of grueling conditions, and drivers like me who want to maximize and drive every inch of the car, whether it's the engine or the chassis or the tires or the suspension to its limit. I'm going to ensure that everything's top notch, everything is completely foolproof, and everything has is working to 100% of its performance, optimum performance. So yeah, we've been through that for over several years. We've been probably the most successful, or rather the most reliable car, I would say, in the national championship, which at one point of time, I think we won almost 5 out of 5 rallies through the year. Every rally, every stage, literally. So I guess I don't have to really describe more apart from, the results speaking for themselves.
Thank you, Gaurav. And lot many fans who have seen you do the donut run of 300 and a circuit which you have taken near the airport, where there is a bulldozer which you passed through, which was a very close move. I mean, people want to know, is that the car is capable of, or it is Gaurav Gill which makes it capable of?
Well, it has to work as a package, It can't be one-sided, If I am doing something to the car and it does not respond that way, it's going to end up crashing or end up on his roof. So obviously and clearly, the car is capable of taking such heavy loads and such extreme driving as well, and the ability is there to see for everyone. And yeah, of course, that ad was phenomenally successful. It went on to become the most watched ad ever in the history of automotive advertisements, and I'm really glad to be a part of it. And the way it came out was really phenomenal, and it was so much fun doing that ad. And it took us almost 5 or 6 days to shoot. Each and every corner was shot a couple of times until I was completely happy, and so was the media team with the way it's come out. To sum it up, of course, I really love the XUV300. I think it's a great package. It's a beautiful handling car with a perfect engine and the chassis dynamics to add to its already successful look and everything.
One important thing which has evolved with Mahindra is the way the progression of vehicles have been. Mahindra has constantly worked upon the products. It has got better and better over the years to come, and then the customer feedbacks, the feedback from the fraternity from your end, which goes into the R&D, and the vehicles have come in. How do you see the progression of the vehicle refinement at Mahindra's from your point of view?
Well, of course, they've come a long way, and most importantly, I think Mahindra has a cult following, most parts of the country, because they are one of the most reliable cars. I have had a Scorpio myself for the last, I think, 7-8 years, and, it's never, ever given me an issue, so that shows that how reliable the cars are. Of course, the evolution is important for everybody, even us as humans. Of course, the cars, the technology is evolving faster than we are. So, you can see the evolution in the Thar, the new one, which is here. It's highly evolved from the previous one, and it's beautiful, to look at. Exactly what I would say to the XUV300. It's something new, completely a different DNA from what Mahindra has been doing, but I think they've got it right, and it looks amazing. It drives well, and it's definitely a great overall package.
Thank you, Gaurav. And last but not the least, it goes without saying that we are one of the oldest dealerships of India. We have a history of 70 years of running the dealerships across the India. We're more prominently present across South. Started off with Ashok Leyland, and that's how the progress has been. We have been a new entrant into Bangalore, and we have high aspirations, dreams in Bangalore. Want a takeaway message for all of my team members, the PPS group, the AMPL group from your end?
Well, I think it's very simple, that the PPS and the AMPL group is there to show that they are very passionate about cars. It's obviously there to say because they have so many dealerships and around the whole country, and of course they're trying to set up a dominant force, to be a dominant force in the south of the country with you guys heading this kind of a dealership, which is something completely new and very I would say startling design to see as a first for a Mahindra dealership in a beautiful location. So I wish all of you best of luck, and I would say just work with all the passion and the commitment that the group has to follow it up to you people, and I'm sure Prithvi, you'll lead the way and ensure that we have good sales numbers.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav.